Biocon chief Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw has expressed serious concern about vaccine shortage across the country. She has also questioned the centre's vaccine policy and called out the lack of transparency. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw has called for a national and a state dashboard to let citizens know where and how vaccines are being made available and can be used.
Thank you very much for flagging off the critical concern over shortage of vaccines in your tweet this morning. The answer to the question you're posing, why there is a vaccine shortage, is being answered by the government, at least unofficially, by saying, look, we placed our last order on the 28th of April for about 160 million doses of Covaxin and Covishield. You've got to be a little patient. How do you respond to that?
Well, you know, Rajdeep, what really concerns me is the declining pace and rate of vaccination. I also know that many parts of the country where vaccination centers are deploying vaccines are actually not doing it very efficiently. So while some vaccination centers are running out of vaccines, others seem to not be fulfilling their quotas. So I think there is something going wrong somewhere, and we need to basically make sure that we address this whole vaccine deployment effort in a very pragmatic and urgent way. I, for one, believe that there needs to be far greater transparency in the way vaccines are being supplied to state governments and being deployed by the states. Because I think that we need a daily dashboard of vaccinations across the country. Otherwise, it's like a suspense movie. We really don't know when we are going to get the vaccines and where they are going to be deployed.